Ever pondered over the idea of sustainable living or the charm of home farming? Well, today we're diving straight into the heart of small-scale tilapia farming, an excellent way to integrate sustainability into your lifestyle. This venture not only promises fresh, homegrown produce, but also the satisfaction of contributing to a greener planet. So, what exactly is small-scale tilapia farming? It's a method of growing your own tilapia fish right in your backyard or even inside your home, using a simple setup. The best part, tilapia are easy to grow and versatile, making them perfect for various recipes or even for potential sale. Now, how do you set up a small-scale tilapia farm? The process can be broken down into a few straightforward steps. First, you need to assess your personal motives and resources. Are you looking to grow fish for personal consumption, or do you intend to sell it? What space and resources do you have available? It's crucial to have a clear answer to these questions before you start. Next, you need to understand the local regulations. Different regions have different rules when it comes to farming fish at home. It's always best to be aware of these to avoid any legal complications down the line. Then, it's time to develop your plan and budget. From setting up the system to buying the fish and maintaining them until they're ready for harvest, there are several costs to consider. Once you have your plan and budget in place, you can set up your tilapia system. This involves creating a suitable environment for the fish to grow. It could be a pond, a tank, or an aquaponic system integrated with vegetables. With the system ready, you can now acquire the fish. Tilapia fingerlings are readily available from many suppliers. Once you have them, all you need to do is introduce them to your system and take care of them until they're ready for harvest. And voila, you're now a tilapia farmer. But remember, proper care and maintenance are essential for optimal growth and successful tilapia farming. So, what are the key steps? Assess your motives and resources, understand local regulations, develop a plan and budget, set up the system, acquire the fish, and grow them to harvestable size. And the benefits? You get fresh, homegrown produce, the satisfaction of contributing to sustainable living, and potentially a new source of income. Small-scale tilapia farming is a viable option for those looking to delve into the world of sustainable living and home farming. It's simple, it's rewarding, and it's a step towards a greener and healthier lifestyle. So why wait? Embrace the charm of home farming and start your journey into small-scale tilapia farming today. You're not just growing fish, you're cultivating a sustainable lifestyle.